Here's a test. Humans ate potatoes raw.
I'm KPP Girl, and I'm here to show you all a potato can be in the future.
Hello, everybody. It's me, Tater Boy, and I'm here to teach you, you little spud, about all the new Keystone potato products, everybody. Let's go!
Keystone Potato Products was formed and started in 2005 as a dehydration facility. We further moved to a fresh cut facility in 2008, and roughly 2016 we started to fresh pack potatoes.
First, potatoes arrive all over to the receiving area, where they get a good washing. Next, they travel on a conveyor belt to either fresh cut or dehydration line.
We produce 3 different products, Keystone Potato Products. We make a dehydrated instant flake and flour. We also make fresh cut products from French fries, dices, slices, whole peeled.
On the dehydration line, potatoes go through a process that removes moisture without removing any flavor or nutrients. KPP flakes and flour are used in many different products like potato bread, pierogies, and pasta, to name a few. Mark explains the automated procedure.
It's a very advanced procedure. When we started this 18 years ago, it was on the forefront of the technology.
Then there is the fresh cut line. A higher quality potato is used, and the line offers a variety of cuts.
Fresh cut potato, which is what you're looking at in here. Dices, slices, French fries. It's a fresh product. We don't freeze it.
KPP does this all while supplying the consumer with good quality, sustainability, and convenience.
It's good to work in a manufacturer just because working with a lot of different people and just like what you do.
Keystone potato products are pretty smashing and a cut above.